Max D, working on a project. I'm at my cabin up north, and I thought, well, let's keep doing some upgrades. I have some leftover plank ceiling that I had done with an expansion a few years ago, and I thought, well, let's remove this drop ceiling that's here in this bathroom and install the plank board. So I'm going to share with you how to do that. We're going to go through the steps, and we're going to see what it looks like at the end. Stay tuned. Here is what the whitewash plank board looks like on the ceiling in my addition. Gives you an example of the leftover boards I'm going to use in the bathroom and laundry room. Well, I have removed some of the drop ceiling, and as you can see, somebody installed this vent system, and there's insulation, but not all the way. So I'm going to need to get some up in there just to cover that spot. And then here's where they're exhausting it. That's kind of my plan right there, is to install a 2x4 across so I have the ability to tack this up to it. I'm going to put one there, going to put one there, and I should be able to nail the corners, nail that, nail here, nail the corner. That should do it. Here's where I took the 2x4s and I used 3-inch screws and screwed it to the rafters of the house. I measured the boards and they are 6 7/8 across the face. I then did math of the room based on the measurements and wanted to use the right number of boards so I have a nice look on each end. When nailing, you want to nail in the tongue of each board so that the nail is hidden and not seen. I used a jigsaw to cut around this opening right here for this light. So basically I measured to my points, figured out what I needed to do to cut out to continue the plank boards. This was probably the most intricate part of the job. Very nice. This is what it looks like. I do have more trim pieces to make, but looking good. In my layout, I wanted to make it to where I had a board here about 2 inches, and then each board is roughly 6 7/8 as you go across. And then I wanted to end again right here with a 2.5 inches as well. So that was the plan, so it looks good.